Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's type the first code. It's *## 4636 #*#*. And as you can see here, we are in a testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi info, or NFC settings. So let's pick, for example, phone info, and here we are provided with phone info. If you want, we can choose the three dots icon, and here we've got much more settings. Let's get back and let's click on, for example, usage statistics. And here we've got the list of apps which we've used, and here we've got the exact usage time. So for example, we've used Chrome for almost 10 minutes. So let me get back to the dialer and let me show you the second code. It's *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with email info and serial number of the device. Click on OK, and let me show you another one, *#225 *#*. And here we've got some calendar info, so we've got all events in one place. Now let's get back and let me show you another one. It's *#426 *#*. And as you can see here, we are in a diagnostic mode, so we can check some events and status. If you want, we can choose the three dots icon and click on advanced view, and we got much more info. Let me get back and show you another one. It will be *#2486 *#*. And here we are in an engineering mode, and we can check our device if everything is working. So for example, you can check the display test patterns, and after touching on black, you should see the black screen. If everything works finely, then you will see it. For example, the same situation will be with the grayscale. If you are seeing grayscale, then your screen is okay. Let's get back and let me show you something else. For example, maybe the touch screen. And here we've got two tests. For example, diagonal, you have to touch the white dot and drag it just like that in order to check if everything works finely with the touch screen. The same situation will be with the vibration. Now they are off. After turning it on, you will check if it is working. Okay, let me get back and let me show you the last code. It's *#06#. And as you can see here, we are provided with some regulatory information. So that's all. Here we have all secret codes for Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.